what we're gonna do today is we're gonna update the APK or the application. And we need to download it through Play Store to update it. So we go out to here. We select Play Store. We go to the search tab and we write in eCart. And we select the eCart cockpit by FlexQube. It is already installed, but we will uninstall it and install it again to show you that it works. Now if it does this, if it says waiting for download, make sure to disable your Wi-Fi with the cart, turn that off, and then it will start the download with the SIM card instead. So the eCart cockpit is now installed. You can press open. And we're going to the login screen of the eCart application. So the eCart is now updated.